girl Shantelle Lace coming at you with another video. And me and my daughter, we're doing the burping challenge. So if you want to see how if we succeed or fail at the burping challenge, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. So yes, me and my daughter, we're going to be doing the burping challenge. This was highly requested from one of our viewers. So basically the burping challenge is you got to drink a 2 liter of soda without burping. Without burping! Exactly. So we're going to see if we're going to succeed or fail at this challenge. We tried this before and we failed. I think we got about a quarter of it down. But we're going to try this again, y'all. So are y'all ready? You ready?
Yeah.
Are y'all ready? Okay, so we're going to do this. So here we go. I got a Pepsi and she has an A&W root beer. So let's see. Mine's exploding too. Okay. All right. We are ready, y'all. Here we go. We drank about the same amount. Oh, here we go. This is hard. Oh my gosh. You guys. Whew, this is a lot of soda to be chunking down at one time. I usually only have about I drink Pepsi every day, but I only have like a 20 ounce, and that's for the whole day. Like, that's it. This is a lot. My stomach is like, ooh.
It's like, no, no, no.
You're drinking more than me, girl. Ooh, I don't know.
My stomach's saying no.
I know my stomach's saying no, too. It's like getting all full.
I could barely finish a whole can of soda.
Ooh. I know, in one sitting, you know. Whew, here we go. Oh, this is crazy, y'all. Here we go. This is a lot. Whew. My stomach's hurting.
Mine's too. I need to let it sit real quick.
Yeah, let me know if you guys have done the burping challenge, because I mean, dang. Whew, this is hard, you guys. I don't know who could drink this much in one setting. They must not have drank all day, okay? And I've already had me some wine. All right. Whew. Whew. Y'all, we trying. We gonna get it. We gonna get it. Yeah, you drunk more than me. She sure has. She's drunk more than I have. Whew. Let's go. Ooh, that almost did not go down. Don't be trying to hold in your burp now.
I know.
I know my stomach is like, oh my God, you guys, it's gonna die. Oh, it hurts. It hurts. Oh, somebody failed. Somebody failed. She burped, y'all. She burped. Ooh. I guess I failed too. So, I guess we failed at this challenge once again, but at least we tried. I don't know who could drink a whole 2 liter, because look how much I drunk and my stomach is hurting. Like, oh my God, I need to lay down, but, oh my God. Excuse me, you guys, I'm so sorry. But yes, this, oh my goodness. This challenge is really, really hard. So I challenge you, yes, you that's watching this video, to do the no burping challenge, okay? Get a soda of your choice, and I want to see you do the no burping challenge. So, yes, that's all we have for this video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.